previous in our government, Galamsey and soon no tea and then cocoa and the team and move, so move, I don't have and so the central region assistance now. The government producing so giant soon.
Okay.
The water works over there to stop working because in draw every good so say 1 I tell 10, 15, and every good ones out to me so will between the above bra. Tells you say Jarian economy. I'm telling you today, market anywhere today. Today's date is 29th. Me Alhaji Farouk Osman Mensa, my friend is Saddam. John Dramani Mama will fail because he's appointees. He wants to leave a legacy, but it will be very chaotic and bad. Or failing totally because they are resetting their pockets, not the country. John Dramani Mama will be pay. I know of a pay. I mean, it grab penny pay. It means got to be featuring me say, hey, Yano, Sana, a guy ya upon one or take a friend is saying, I share my call ya before in the yard. Della, it tells you, so what telling one to be brave. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the tried and tested candidates. Inshallah, 31st, Namibia in Chedbesa Shamo. Will lead the MPP to victory, inshallah. So we should hot that attacks. Obia, Chumo attacking Baumia, we attacking. Why Baumia? A child said that man is a star. He's born to be, and inshallah, he will be the next president.
I will say, all what can I come for a Japan, the single to get watchers, and NPP party, and you will be a idea, and to be an intimate party, and she put some any one or a fee, the better and semi petition of Korea, editor, a walk point, address, and then some year worker, editor party, and yet as someone as a person, as one of person, or national chairman, and as a national organizer, Edema party, not worker and some editor party, and yeah. Ebeboa party nkebaya party leadership no mo hwe na wo mo suspend na nyo no kwa oni abroni nyina nsem bia wo mo ekeka no enya ade a ese na ifata yinim sa abonye e wo the camp of Dr. Muhammad Baumia ti fikra address se wo sorry tia asofo se wo ka nsem sa defa Christopher Kono na Dr. Muhammad Baumia embe ka hwe no ebekọ e de tia ne campaign bi kwa airtag no se oye anti-Christ wenum nyina ene ensem a ye ba behwe mensa aka Alhaji Farouk Osman e wo menche wa abusia ka mo ne mo na kwa ba na fi ye nim komo e too much GH and we gusa wo hwe Alhaji mo akwaba
Yemia
papa de bia boko
onfe adum ya hwe
ye de nyame ase ye sha se fi party ni e kwaso party wo de ne se Ominchia wahwefo ominchia otiefo minchia party mpanyim for Dr. Mahmoud Baumia na yeshia no ebiyemre mu Kenya Japan ko Japan ye twumba ye former education minister any other mpanyim for nyina omo contest Brian Echampo the strong brave man I love his everything his stature and everything is good for presidency and any of our candidates amaboy nyina will be better than John Dramani Mahama in 2028 or whoever emerges their leader in 2028 no Yankofo biya jina brane aminka twini ye ase bofo no yaji mama boso Yankofo nyina numu nyina jina brane see any candidate NDC will produce in 2028 all we need now is unity yes ba ko ye ne nkan ko ne pese be party na bom ya toto ye niam ye because unu obi ko akono anwa won mfifi ye say am fifi no ko hia ne pakro no that's what we need as a party MPP the SCI ba ko ye ne nkan ko okay Sabe ya wo twese ne mu hia ye ba ko ye ene nkan ko party ni misa se ensem ya abwa papo ebe kan ye e wo party ni ne abronye kan ye ene ne chama wuntimi so de kan ye renum no ye ensem wa wo hwa party ni unity na mu hia no won sabe kan
Baba meka wase o say at times no bu be mu odu minim se na policy na fa ujiji bibi so a eda ne bibi ebi tsa papo say you obi esa ejiji ni so e wo party ni papo ye disappointed to our party. I was used that word disappointed because we knew where he migrated from.
National officer.
Oh, forget about national officer. I'm not here. Apapun national officer. I want him.
Onyanya Apapun deputy.
Apapun forget about his national officer being. Yeah, and show anyway. Apapun is being a disgrace to our party. Yeni maybe you're free or funka.
Okay.
I'll be joining MPP. But cutting shortcut. But say MPP. Now saying he's done the one with the NDCs, and we know his utterance is scratched. Let's say Apapun is not with us. Until we two foot with a party anymore because he will actually Akonyani NDC godfathers no work cause on when idea. So with Apapun perforce your friend Hombrana Yemfan and Yemfan Betna committee so name is some the way forward for the party no in young Apapun only be a party no moving. And with regards to Abronye, Abronye is a regional chairman
from Bono or Zipono or Hafo, one of the regions, in Bonga Hafo region. So, a project issue, no, was initially a secretary, general secretary about out, but my disclaimer say, no, yeah, tea, no, free, same year, or can free your party, no, your dog, and come up anyway, the tea party, young for your party said this for the body two and a tea, building Muja and a sign of constitution. MPP, your dog, ni back way, and now, the tea party, Ntisasu, and then by personal attacks. Recently, you saw what happened between himself and the IGP, which young MPP for young pet Ninkasa Bimu, but Sanka Mrano Famra Papaso, Nankasa defamation. We know whatever he did or said is tantamount to defamation of character or maybe contempt. We know, so contempt happens in a court. Or maybe I hear someone can be in the honor contempt natural. And no, it's tantamount to a jail, some few weeks, few months in jail, or fine, it depending on the judge. So, whatever happens within the IGP and Abronye, a defamation of character, which the IGP can take him on.
Okay.
So, Maranoni. Okay. The reason why you saw us say your demonstration just to let Ghanaians and the world know say young famra kwanda paso and for Abronye indi.
Okay.
Because even Black Maria didn't say me, and yet would be saying it didn't say Black Maria. Obi a will deal, Obi a young robber, Obi a year, Bonnie and Wood do, and they didn't say Black Maria. No, be any called jail at the Hawkins home. And they said, what they did to Abronye, no good in Massey. But Uganepe and Ahoma, I saw the come. Into which Abronye's case, no, we did this demonstration to tell Ghanaians and the world, say, Atayana NDC for Tata MPP for no. Yanka say you boom raso. And the Yanka will be a dear young friend Brano, but the beer on limitations.
Okay.
And to send Nippon boom raso no idea and fata baby say in the Jinan Funny Jina or Mayam Broso. Ghana lawyers in the Jinas already as a brony case no. Some of your handle and yet. Also, day in doubt, I advise your politicians and your penny for the institutions we are no say. Yeah, we are no maybe a simple for to say whatever we are doing as politicians today, whatever we are doing, in any way change just start free her, start free her. At least from your tertiary, you know the laws and ethics of this very country. You know our constitution. If you are in a party, you know the party's constitution. In a party, they come from articles to clauses. You have to know. So a party will now dear. So when we we mean turn here tofu now in tia. Definitely, in 24 committees they can suspend you. The friend we can suspend you because I invite you 1, 2, 3, 1 bar. When you're part of the party. Let me if you say the party will be natural. Okay. Until your party your party you're because MPP party is far better than NDC. And we know how to govern. Than the NDC.
Me, as a deputy director of communications, I will NPP party no more.
The director of communications here, Ayaba.
The
deputy director, Debbie.
Because Abua Papa title, I a deputy director of communications.
Our deputy, what's the name? This lady, Jennifer Queen. Jennifer Queen, this very guy with the big tummy, Miro Finidi. On my main deputy director, me title when me follow this title. Okay. Because if you are a communication director for a party, the beer party you are not in line with the party. Rather you criticize, you chastise the parties.
Yes, and someone Abua Papa kind, and someone Abronye a kind, if it's a something you know. A moon a move to us was a party to keep decision there. Also would take you upon so. Compared Abua Papa and someone can say. Galamsey and almost more demonstration. Say, can Galamsey so dear, and can NPP moral rights because Abraham Muabe, not Galamsey no Ecoso. And Mamma President tried Nakunya to say Oba or the Akunyano air to say, wait to me and to Galamsey Nasia, Akunyano ka Obeso if you wait to me to us, Akunyano so one sorry and Fiso. It is a Namocha Mosamo year demonstration party by a barely 1 year. Now, so want to meet to Galamsey as into more year demonstration. Monisa moral rights, and so can they say, Nasa Bronya Subabonting, at the condemned honorable can compare Japan. Eka someone and Lucia as so for Penfogo Ghana. That's the NPP Penfo and country upon Chabronye. Dr. Muhammad Bomé lives within the Chino and the country. Nasa Apapuna most of what so there as a party no if you one candidate. One way arguing.
Mammy, show us something simple. I'm saying with Apapu's issue, said Galamsey. Nipa or no some any wow for.
Okay.
Your friend is we were in this country last year. Blackwell, Sam George, and others in the NDC, and even including the president himself.
current president, were saying, giving promises, say, Momo 2 million within 1 week, within 21 days. Galamsey a jai. Previous in our government, Galamsey and soon lay tea and there cocoa and the team and move, and so move, and so Central Region assistance now. The be producing so giant soon.
Okay.
The waterworks over there should stop working because in Dura every good so say 1 I tell 10, 15 and every good ones out to me so will between the above bra. Tells you say Jaren economy to avoid that no yenja because in Sona yet see ni ndone doors no do. It tells you say to me no so say yeah kugalam say now see yenja sans no moral writer. Excuse me to say Apapo was part of our government. Who pay young guys who need to party anymore. Apapo can be. Apapo was on Ghana gas or the board so sign more Ghana gas. So it tells me say those days people are vibrant youth I would dig Ghana gas, anywhere expansion, anywhere extension, anywhere adding up to Ghana gas. Apapo was part. So Eban say we try you take whatever the party he was doing. I said who do I win the name? Apapo did not win the name. He's being smart in the political era. Yes, I'm telling you, yes. Now, Papa is everywhere. We know your team, your intelligence, we are telling some, and you be an echo, excuse me, so be a theatre. Until you go to the be the objection so dear. Until at times, you better than maybe some, we are telling some baby. Apart the game he's playing, we should be very careful because we play good baby, I'm telling you. One corner will be the because, on to me, better now, no, that's it. Galamsey, say or mine. On one, never say MPP, not done foreign Baumia, and to me, I'll stop Galamsey. Yet, I come out to so. At the end, you lose massively and yet greater Canasante region. You lose election 2020 because of that very Galamsey fight that we took on ourselves. What's the Anye Alpha Galamsey? You see, so the Alpha Galamsey one doesn't mean says NDC are bad. You have to say to me, but Galamsey 1982 my NDC. What Ghanaians did for John Dramani Mahama, they did not vote. They endorsed the man. 1.7 million votes is historic. The breaking bad thing. So breaking more than 1.7 million votes as a president in this country. So it tells you Ghanaians, when you are GDB with Mahama, you say, oh, I'm just come from a station. And I'm telling you, I told them, John Dramani Mahama as the current president, only space of my excuse something in Ghana. Another day, but I'm telling you today, mark it anywhere today. Today's date is 29th. Me, Alhaji Farouk Osman Mensah. My friend is Saddam. John Dramani Mahama will fail because he's appointees. He wants to leave a legacy, but it will be very chaotic and bad. Or be failing totally because they are resetting their pockets, not the country. On mine are stagnant. On mine is shame. Yes, excuse me to say, 2024 they were campaigning with Kinky Price near that day, and there I'm out here in this out document 5 now Tom a beer increase and I okay. It's still the same. Okay. But I said, it was 1,000, 2,000, but still a teacher of 500. Still a document 5 cities. You may be under by 30 Ghana, 45 Ghana, 40 Ghana. So it tells you that the center of John Dramani Mahama's government is not holding. On one or two, I say, wow, I'm opposition and obey. Sana then Obia is making headway to his pocket, not to the state. Okay. With our brother's issue, the woman said, this I was able to I am from so now Tata na no akoto got mu bra still be no dey mu be oba what disrespect to why ya dey anye na odi ti okochi na bo na odi ni ti na kukuru akoto got na na ha bia why mo ja so ni wo be san tam no kura eni ni kura ma no sa na bonya dey ko ye in this case na bonya dey na e bana after papa dey wonya bana na make a choice abonya dey no and the party not punish you, but the state has punished abroad. It has nothing to do with the party. And I make a tell say, my simple catch him some boba. I will automatically we promise our bonaka. And yes, we will advise him, and with 24 advising on his works towards the party and our party no MPP party, 24 be a party Mubiano, and your agent brand and this candidate. All we have to do is unity. Until you announce some be 2024, we saw what happened. 3-6 months to elections. When this for nation, we catch Ghana for. You know, some of we are about different one. No negative or positive. No win elections. So it tells us that the party as MPP, no, yen share your castle munji. Now yen share your become after 31st. Whoever emerges the flag bearer, we can sell the person. Let me atone it. Until the young ones like Abronye and Abwapa, my advice to them is they should shut up. They should keep mute. Who can the trends, the ecosystems are the happenings of the government that is not helping the state, but not to attack Mpenifo. As of our attack, we will be our numbers. So you attack individual numbers now. Attacking. What attack is so far apart from he being a God, man of God? No, still who attack the public because we be our audit domain man. And now so and the prophecies. You Jumani identity. Who attacking now? How who believe in him? You now will not follow your party. That's why politics now. So your politics no any limitations. Bible naka. Say we know you now kwai. So you know the fatai. Okay. Say you can't say be about your. Me John Grant Mahama. We pa me pe. Okay. I know of me pe. I mean me grab pe me pe. Nti me got na be emfichire me se. Ya no. Sana aga ya wa pon mo a ote. The friend is saying ahia man ko yi akofo ne yare. Dela. Nti it tells you. So what telling nkwa so bebre. Kofo na mo 90 years no na mo. And now, who 40 something, 50 something, who were here before, on we deal the president, and they will feel empty crown, maybe do fee. So, and there will be for in the area. Until you call on my communicators, no customer party, you should not see, say, we are somewhere, we are nowhere. You will be our brabum. You will be our brabum. Gradually, we are fair. And now, when some, because I not media, someone for a share. You could be a man for tea, a man for a share. You don't know who your discussion will touch his heart or her heart number wow. In certain things, no, because I mean, say you are in the heaven. No, there should be limitations in whatever you say, and you should very compromise on some things you spread out. Okay, limitations in the mean is as a brought your net any ordinary member of party or your no regional chairman, and chairman would to me so a Ashanti regional chairman. Sabe chairman for me, as a more wakoka ama JFK, about one temperature as a party no disassociation or if free in some more you can and whatever album or what the papa to about the first general no more tresse if she be maybe or my unit tresse or more yet their favorite one candidate. I must have be just a chairman for me, almost say party in your more free party. Mammy, I say, yeah, car. No, I was council, I must say, I brought your work, Baumia. A camp. A car is about to go about me a camp. And if these people are doing their more claims, now they are back some one everyone. See, I do any son, the Osuta Krache. Okay. Dr. Mahmoud Baumia, the tried and tested candidates. Okay. Inshallah, 31st, Namibia in Cherubes and Shalom. Okay. Will lead the MPP to victory, inshallah. Okay. We are sorry, our attacking man. We are sorry, our attacking man. Mamma Tro, yet they are all and a teaching crew. So we know how Casa party in Japan Casoka party no good baby I say ya baby. This I say 2 years I'm telling you 2012 yeah pay member so almost say party no woman na member yeah pay member na go dina court no more infan. Okay. You and I were not there. No more infan branch be dina for 8 months. After the friend say hard copy pink sheet only different party for 8 months and yeah easy. But by then where were they? Bakofo and Chirodam for party, Obi Shasi and Obi Abiri. This is sending 92 no way, 92 no way, 92 no way. 92, you the MP party boycotted the constitution. You know, be drafted constitution man. So and there with this with the woman. Okay. It is simple on here. Can you pay for me? Should be circumspect about what they say and how they say it, and even where they say it. Me say, sir, all your bishop. Now only more that chair. We share one mantie, Ukasa, Uneye. Untadi sim krapo hwene yie but say also your this year na unhwe okasa na onante ne oni yemu ye otena beba bo say nya butrehwe mi kasa mu hwe me ne yemu ye akande adibia to me okay can Japan mistakes or you afraid and ra nya nde na some mistakes na e no gradually on who say be sane no afa you tell this is a massacre o sakra say na say who so na wo ken massacre no me sakra mo ponye still what to bomb open no campaign ko candia wo dia boa party ko candia waye me say mama ma this very simple way in MPP yawo initially brigade see on na wa fund the party see obia party wa talk as what is $4 billion yawo hana e fe so Elon Musk pay Elon Musk say oh me the whole MPP me and am say ska party mo pa even last 2024 elections sika me de boa Dr. Mahmoud Baumia bi sida na brigade ye komu walwali dangote Baumia o say me ministry no ideas any plans to govern and to protect our party that tells you say we educate you ba no nya ni dia ni nyansa the future is very brighter than you believe in sika mama only one adwon dey mind. I'm telling you, Bawumia, inshallah, he will sail through. 31st January, the delegates will give him the numbers. And 2028, he will face any candidate and it's for the DP, they will face him squarely. Whatever they were saying about Bawumia, tarnishing his image, attacking him, it will go nowhere. I'm telling you. So, we are candidate. Focus on your campaign.
Okay.
So, I say internal elections are. Yanka Yahonsam 2024 Yahonsam Yakaye and then this for Elian one film. So we should hot that attacks. Obia Chumu attacking Bawumia, we attacking. Why Bawumia? A child said that man is a star. He's born to be, and inshallah he will be the next president of the state.
Farouk, you have the communist in the park after 31st January 2026. MPP would not better say.
And I make Sasha Mukani. All we need now is unity.
Okay.
Yeah, I top to down because of this kind of problems. So after that very elections, whoever emerges, there will be skirmishes, there will be problems. Minor will be a say correction free. From there, you call for acoustic polling stations, elections coordinators, electoral area coordinators, whatever. So national executives. Then we put our party in a good standing. God willing, 2028 we will face the NDC squarely.
Yeah. But that's a fact. I will say I am Farouk Osman and Edin Kumon message so with your comments our comment section go and the Amamina will be a subscribe button so too much GH all the social media platforms to cover too much GH also subscribe no like no share na apple phone so any be should be in the dark good macro.